let me. Oh, camera.
What's lining fine? It's just a straight like a
OBS.
funded account, like straight funded.
Go live. Dope. All right, we're live on both. Awesome.
Hold up, I gotta
All
do
right.
something. Gotta do this before. So far, we
What?
were
Why isn't
rejected
it letting
off
me?
the low YouTube Studio content.
Come in, you guys. Z, I'm in longs on GC gang. Risking
Right
500.
here.
Yeah. 5 minutes. I broke a 2 up. I'm in longs. If I could get in with more, I would love to, but it's not even letting me. So I'm only 2 contracts deep. Come in, guys. Welcome in, everybody. I'm just gonna pop open real quick for the what's it called, for the YouTube. Just let me check the thing, because I need to check if my comments are activated or not. Okay, gold is pushing up right here. We need a nice knife up. The new hourly is gonna be nice. Where is the video? Live. And then control room. Hi. Ticker name. This is gold. GC. I'm on GC. You can see it right here. Welcome in, guys, on YouTube. Love the Discord VTW. Thank you, thank you. We try our best, boss. We try our best, bro. We try our best.
Is that a fish? What fish tank, bro? How do you guys hear a fish tank, dude? Just gonna be freaking. Dude.
I'll go for $1,000 take profit. So just about here. Go for a $1,000 TP. And Q, no, this is Asia. Just going for a 1 to 2.
What the fuck? What am I hearing?
What are you hearing? What?
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
You got a fish tank in the back?
Bro, it's fucking. It sounds like.
You know, making money today. You have FOMC.
That
Are you
ass
sure
sounds like
about
I'm
that?
in
I
a
mean,
submarine.
this position is already up 2,300. So we'll see.
Is that better?
Pump it up. We about to
No,
pump it up.
my PC is water cooled, so it doesn't make sound like that. Ooh,
Broke the 15-2 down, by the way.
I'm in shorts here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm in shorts.
I am in these for a longs continuation to play off of it.
Yeah. I was waiting for that to break.
Why is the camera bugging? Bad trade. We'll have to see, man.
Is that better, guys? Now is it better? Is it
Audio
better?
is double? What? Do you guys want me to put my audio up? I hope it's loud enough.
Just turn that shit down. You're not in a trade. I am.
160. Alright. Just had to go on mute. The audio is fine. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. So yeah, I'm taking longs just because we had a 5-minute break, a 2-minute, 5-2 up. Taking that, pretty much have my stops right below this range right here. If we break past that, then I do want to get out. Why is my computer frozen? Why is everything frozen? Cool. You fading Z? No, I pretty much entered before he entered in. I've been in longs for a very long time now. I've been in longs since the market opened. I've been in long since market open. So, what were my confluences for the trade? Pretty much the 4-hour breaking inside 2 up. I do want to see this pullback. I mean, no issues. I'll stop out if we break past this 5-minute supply. I mean demand. Sorry, if we break past this 5-minute demand, then I do want to get out. Other than that, I want to see us kind of bounce back up, push up the highs, and then break the all-time highs possibly. That's the idea, but it's a risky position, and I'm fine with that. I'm willing to take 2 trades, and that's it. Nothing more. Nothing more than that. Okay, so yeah, depending on how we do here. If we reject this demand, then I do want to get out. But other than that, I have no reason for me to get out. So yeah, just gonna have to wait and see. What are you trading? I am trading GC. Lockout, please. Oh. Here, I'll lock out on this one too. What's the difference between an express and a combine? Pretty simple again. Just express is a funded account, and a combine is a, you know, combine is a combine is an account that they give you at first, and then express is a past account. That's the difference. Oh my counselor, man, you trolling. You're creaming. Stopped out of longs. Should I re-enter? I'm thinking of retry longs. I mean, I like longs on gold for now. I don't see the shorts, obviously. Yeah. So for me, that's what I see, and I'll take what I see. I only take what I see. If this stops me out, I'll look for a retry, but it would be a little bit concerning. If we close the 4-hour more bearish, then that would be kind of concerning, to be honest. But as far as right now, I mean, this hourly is insane, to be honest. So yeah, just gonna have to wait and see what it wants to do. Let me put this right here for me, that way I could see exactly what's going on as well on Tradeify, because I do have an account that's running on there. I'm planning on holding overnight. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is gonna go longs. This is going for longs for sure. Even if it stops me out, I'm gonna go longs. Not for sure, not financial advice, obviously. Not financial advice. But I will definitely, even if it stops me out, I'll definitely retry longs. Buy one more, can't. So with Top Step right now, 2 contracts is the max because I'm building a buffer with this account. So just going for those base hits with you guys on live. I'm only trading it on live, man. I'm not even trading it outside of that, so yeah. But I'm definitely more biased towards longs. Definitely more biased towards longs. Alright, I think that's pretty much enough of pushing down. I'm more biased towards longs now. So would be nice for an aggressive push up from here. Looking for about a 5-point take profit. Nothing crazy. And with 2 contracts, and I'm looking for a 2-point take profit on this. There you go. Awesome. That's perfect. Yeah, I'm looking for price to kind of rally up, and then of course break the all-time highs preferred. But yeah, preferred break the all-time highs. Gold, yes, I'm on gold. I trade gold. What's the name of the funded broker? I trade on Top Step. See what We're back again with even the cut rates coming tomorrow, like common gold. Maybe, I mean, again, if it stops me, I'm still gonna look for a re-entry for longs. I'm still in that, so yeah. Did we get stopped? Still nothing. Just double bottom so far. It looks like it's gonna stop us here. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm still looking for longs. I'm still gonna look for a re-entry in longs preferred here. We'll just have to wait. I'm still looking for a longs though. I'm definitely still more bullish biased. Let me check my Tradeify account real quick. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I'm still looking for longs. I still want to see a push back up. Just gonna have to wait for a little bit and then take that. Don't want to re-enter in here. Or, I mean, actually not bad of a level, to be honest. Yeah, not bad of a level here, too. Not bad of a level. To be completely honest, not bad of a level, so. I wouldn't mind taking it again. I'm just going to wait. Okay, 1 minute closed as I failed to 2 up, which is kind of really doji style, so I want to wait a little bit longer. Oh, God. Anyone know what the Lightning Express firm was? That would be, you know, good question to the one and only, you know. All right, 2-point stop. So this would be a 2-point stop. I'm taking entries here. I'm retrying longs again over here. I am retrying longs and I'm going for a $1,500 TP on this. I am retrying longs. I really see the longs. I really like longs. Again, I'm following my system. Please don't just blindly take trades, of course. Don't just blindly take trades and manage your own risk. Because to me, I see a longs. If you don't see it, then you don't see it. What strategy do you trade? I trade The Strat by Rob Smith. It's called The Strat. Yeah, if it pushes below this low, then at that point I do want to get out. But as far as right now, I mean, a 2.3 point stop. Oh no, not even. That's a little bit more actually. 2.5 point stop, not bad at all. I'm happy with that. Just looking at my other account real quick as I'm trading it as well. And yeah, we'll see what we can do on those. We'll see. But I'm looking to take profit. If you guys want to see the full screen, swap to YouTube. YouTube has the full screen. If you can't see the entire screen, and I apologize about that. No, I'm trading gold. This is GC. It literally shows it right here on the bottom. Short, again, I don't see the shorts, man. I genuinely, not the I'm fading anybody or saying anything. I don't see the shorts. I see it long, so yeah. Why are you and ZZ in opposite positions? If you check the Discord, you will see when I alerted longs. I alerted longs a long time ago now. I alerted it off of open. So, yeah. ZZ is good. That's why, hey, he's goated. He's the GOAT. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, there you go. He's the GOAT. What's the YouTube? The link is in my bio for that. Does Asia open in 6 minutes though? Bro, Asia's been open, man. What are you talking about? Hourly 2 down T. I understand. I'm looking at the 4 hour. I'm looking at the daily as well. I like that more. The 4 hour looks good for a continuation here. So I do want to see us push up. Again, if we break past this 5, then I do want to get out. So yeah, that's the only time I'll get out. I do want to have the same stops on both accounts. So this would be 25. Let me just check my other account real quick. 25.9. There it goes. Okay, awesome. Cool. There it goes. All right, cool. Boom. Cool. Yeah, I want to see a push up again. Not fading anybody. Please, if you don't feel comfortable taking the position, don't take it. Simple as that. Yeah. Drop a like, follow if you're new. It helps out a ton. Do you use MT5? No, I do not. Not financial advice at all. Nope. Nowhere close to financial advice. You think it will break all-time highs here? I mean, that's what I'm kind of aiming for, is an all-time high break. So that's what my swing is going. But my position for now, which is why I'm taking this on Top Step right now with you guys, is to push up. Preferably, yeah, push up would be nice. Go above VWAP, break these highs, push up higher, and then we get that nice move up. That's what I'm expecting from gold, but again, I could be wrong. I mean, that's why I'm saying don't take my trades. It's gold, guys. Holy, yeah. I stopped out earlier too, but I'm waiting for confirmation to take buys again. Okay, cool. Yeah, for me, the confirmation is pretty much the 2 down. We failed over here. We kind of had the bullish price action kind of giving us that wick. So when I see that we kind of given that wick and then broke it to down and then, you know, given that wick again, it's kind of something that I'm interested in. This is more of a hourly pullback than anything to me. So I'm expecting, and 2 more minutes for the new hourly to pop open. So I generally don't want to see it break it 2 down, but if it does, I mean, that's that, right? And that's it, yeah. No, I took your trade and made 1,000 W. Hey, good for you, man. You took the trade, not me. Why are you hiding your balance, buddy? Because I just don't want to show my balance. What's the problem with that? Hey, be happy it's an actual express, you know. Be happy that it's an actual express and it's not, you know, a goofy ass express. I went over that in the whole video. You could watch the video, and you could watch that for yourself, boss. You could watch that yourself. I don't gotta say too much. You could watch that for yourself and do your own thing. All unprofitable. Hey, whatever you say, bro. Whatever you say, gang. Do you use ICT concepts? No, I do not trade ICT concepts. You long ZZ shorts. ZZ seeing shorts off of the sauce. That's what he trades, and I'm seeing, you know, whatever I see. I don't. That's what I'm saying, man. I don't. But again, there's people that like genuinely don't, you know, don't wanna, you know, like they bought the mentorship and they're pretty much they feel like I fucked up. Like I gotta defend this guy, otherwise I'll look stupid too. So you know. I bought the mentorship and I'll look stupid, goofy if I, you know, if I don't defend him. So let me go defend him. And that's it, right? That's kind of the way. So, yeah. Hey. Trade actual expresses. We trade real ones that work, that actually, you know, refresh. And you want to see a fake one though? You want to see a fake? You want to see a fake something fake? Look, let me show you. Wait. All right, you see that? Look, when I refresh, whoa, it shines. Cause what? It's not real. It's not real. You the Lulu. You the Lulu. Ah. All right, 1 more minute for the hourly to pop open here. We have 1 more minute for the new hourly. We should expect some kind of volatility here. So again, please make sure if you guys are not okay with the risk, don't take the position. I'm personally okay with the risk. Did you go to college? Yes, I did. I have a 4-year degree. Shell? Yeah, I mean, if you see sells, man, you see sells. I don't. I follow what I follow, boss. I'm here to just share the way I trade. I'm not here to, you know, take anybody else's positions or anything like that. Got stopped out. Hey, that's fine, man. Look, I've seen you before. Where have I seen you? I've seen you before, man. Yeah, I've seen you before. I don't know where, but I have definitely seen you before. Were you in the Discord, Luke? By any chance? Were you in the Discord? What a pass my phone. Hey. Oh man, what? What's going on, bro? AA Ben said you'll expose Parkham. Nah, I got nothing against Parkham. I literally DM'd AA Benz. I did mention to him that there's nothing wrong with Parkham for me to talk bad about him. Pretty much, I mean, he's good. You know, he's been awesome and he's been great so far. So there's nothing wrong with him for me to. Here's the messages. He said, bro, expose Parkham Trey, crazy LARP. I said, Parkham is one of the homies, 3K in payouts. I said, he's one of the homies. Nah, bro. He said, nah, bro. I said, no, bro, not gonna lie. He did show me payouts. I'm telling you, he joined the calls. I joined the calls with him and he showed me multiple payouts. I believe Parkham is good. Nothing's wrong with him, so why would I expose him? Yeah, I mean, again, I have nothing against the guy. Why would I just hate on him just because I feel like hating on him? Nah. Not how it works. There has to be reasons why you would hate on somebody, or you would not hate necessarily, but expose, right? Expose someone. Like, for example, right? So, dudes forcing longs. Hey, I mean, look, again, if you don't see the longs, don't take them, man. No one is forcing you. No one is forcing you to take the longs. If you don't see them, you don't see them. That's fine. It's okay. No big deal. How many funders do you have? A few. Strategy, I trade the Strat by Rob Smith. Tell us a joke, because he's Jewish. Who heard the music today? Did you switch? Why did you switch from NQ to gold? I never switched from NQ to gold. I trade gold during Asia and I trade NQ during New York. No, I mean, again, yeah, that's fine. I still see the longs, so. ZZ free Palestine? Aye, free Palestine, man. But I'm not ZZ, keep that in mind. Did you take any trades in the AM? Yes, I did. I took 2 trades. Both, one of them stopped out like a little bit and the other one got stopped out a little bit too. Crazy. Are you profitable? You could check for yourself, man. Again, all my trades, whether the losses or wins, are all posted in the Discord. You guys can see them. Can you tell us your average win rate? I have an average win rate of a 50% with an average RR multiple of a 2.7. What's your longest L streak? About 3 days maybe, and then I had to like step back and understand what's going on. What's the payout cap on Tradeify, please? They have a 20% consistency, right? Are you living off of trading? Yes, pretty much, yeah. I've showed payouts. I've literally requested payouts on live with people. Thank you, Moment. Damn, he's spamming them roses. Going crazy. I really don't know, man. Hop around. Would have passed my phone. Yeah. Wouldn't have passed. Oh, okay, cool. Believe it should slip here, hopefully. Again, I want to see a bounce back up on gold. Genuinely see it bullish, but again, I could be wrong. So manage risk to whatever you feel comfortable risking, obviously, depending on the position that you want to take and what you feel comfortable risking. You wins, these are always in opposite trades. Again, something I'm not going to just keep explaining. The GR on the week is losing $137,000. That's insane, man. You know, it's crazy. That's a lot of money, bro. But good for him, because I bet you if he won so much trades, he would have tripled that, if not doubled that, right? Thanks for the financial. Nope, not enough of this is financial advice, boss. Hey, he sees what he sees. I see what I see. Sometimes, for example, he may see shorts and his take profit is here. I may see longs and my entry is here to take back up, right? So it doesn't necessarily mean anything. He could be break even right now. So for him to lose this position, it would just be break even. And then for me to be, yeah. What's your biggest payout? $23,000 from Apex. Across 20 accounts, not just on one account. Across 20 accounts. That's when I opened up Tradeify. That's when Tradeify was just barely popping up. And at that time, Tradeify is just like brand new. So I opened up trading accounts. I opened like accounts from them. And I was like planning on, okay, I'm going to go ahead and, actually try to add them to my TradeSyncer, because I would use TradeSyncer to copy all the accounts. So I would use TradeSyncer, and then next thing I know is I get banned on Apex. And it says, hey, you no longer are able to, you literally, it's literally 1,000 on each. It's not a lot. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying unrealistic stuff. Right? It's 1K on each. Is that not doable? Come on, guys. $1,000 request on each account, 20 accounts, that's $20,000. Come on. Tell me trading is hard. Come on. Just lock the fuck in. Follow simple rules, yeah. Follow simple rules, yo. That's all you need. Just follow the simple rules, yo. Trading is that easy. Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. What's the Discord? The link is in my bio for that, boss. What's the most you made in a month trading? I will speak about only futures. I won't speak about options. That's more like, if you've been in the Discord, you will know. But I've made about $25,000 continuously, month on month, on Top Step. Literally, I showed you guys everything, pretty much. I refreshed, requested payouts live, everything. So save a lot of money if you're gonna, go ahead and request payouts. Save a lot of money. Save a lot of money. Yeah, I want to see it bounce back up on gold so far, showing weakness. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but again, I do want to see a bounce back up to push up for the highs. I mean, we could get a tracement all to the all-time highs, but do I want to hold to all-time highs is the real question. To be honest, I don't know. We'll have to see and decide after. We shall see and decide after. But if it rejects a slow, then I do want to, that's it. Pretty much going to close up because that's 2 losing trades. I won't take the 3rd. Did Apex ban you? Yes, they banned me and then they unbanned me. But they never gave me my accounts back. So they banned me and then they unbanned me, but they never gave me the accounts back for me to actually trade them. Kind of crazy. Do you have a promo code on TopStep? No. TopStep is really strict with their affiliates, sadly. I mean, that's good because it keeps a little bit of a breathing room for the actual prop. I think it's good that what they're doing is not giving access to anybody that is just trading with their accounts. Beautiful 15 if it closes like this. And we would be a nice 5 if it kind of closes a little bit more bullish. Which crypto is that? Bitcoin. It's basically Bitcoin, bro. Apex reviews are shocking. They're honestly, I think they're generated. This looks cooked. We'll have to see. We'll have to wait and see. Terrible make the last kind of hit TP. Nah. Why did they ban you? Never listed me a reason. Never gave me a reason why that I got banned and what's going on, right? They just told me, hey, you're no longer able to open up PA accounts. After I requested payouts, I literally made a whole video about that. I requested payouts. All of them were denied. And then I get an email. You are no longer able to open up any PA accounts. And then if you are going to try to something, what was it? I don't know what it was exactly, but if you're going to try something, we'll sue you. And I was like, what? And then that's when I kind of stopped on that. And I was like, yeah, let me actually try to see what the fuck's going on. So I reached out to their support. I chatted with them. Maybe because I used to hedge with other prop firms. I used to do a lot of hedging. So maybe that's why. But again, that's not with Apex. I wouldn't hedge 10 accounts and 10 accounts longs, 10 accounts shorts. No, it's a whole different prop. So, what are you trading? I'm trading gold. I'm trading Bitcoin, sorry. Have you tried Funded Next? I heard good things, but I don't like the 40% consistency rule. in the funded stage, but it feels only one-time fee, no reoccurring monthly payments. A lot of prop firms are not reoccurring payments. So, for example, it's easy doing rituals, crazy work. So a lot of prop firms, like for example Apex, Top Step, sorry, they don't have reoccurring fees. Once you have an express, you have an express, and that's it. They won't charge you again on it. And the good part is that you don't have any consistency to follow. Same thing with Alpha Futures. If you have a account with them and that is passed, then they are no longer going to pay you. You have to pay $49 every month. Really? I've never paid attention to that. Oh, combines. Oh, okay. That's cool. Hey, one-time payment. That's nice, actually. Maybe I'll give them a shot. Maybe I'll see. I'll look into them and let you guys know. So far, I'm making a pivot towards, what's it called? Tradeify. I do want to start trading Tradeify. I like Tradeify a lot. So, yeah. Take Profit Trader is very good. I have heard so many good things about Take Profit Trader, but sadly, they are just not letting me open up accounts. Tradeify rules 20% consistency. Pretty much, that's it. And then 5 days to request the payout. 2 $50 winning days is what they consider. Just read the rules and their thing. This is slow. This is boring. Yeah, I would want the 15 to close more bullish. That would be nice. But so far, it's not giving us that follow through that we want. Just kind of consolidating here for now. We would want to see a bounce back up, kind of. But yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what gold wants to do here. And then, yeah, we'll decide after. So gold, I would prefer for it to kind of push up to this high. This whole wick area, gold tends to kind of go for these wicks. So I would want it to kind of change back up to the bullish trend and then push up, break these highs, push up to new highs, and then break the all-time highs. Preferred. But obviously, I could be wrong again. That's why you should never just take trades off of just copy trades and copy trading someone else. Right? I'm shorts. Hey, that's awesome, man. Good for you, bro. First TP hit W's. Hey, that's awesome, dude. Congrats on that. That is dope. Plan on adding? No. No, not yet. No. I do not plan on adding to this position at all right now. Once you reset your password, that's what I did. I tried and it wouldn't let me. And then it keeps bugging. So I reached out to their support and they said to reset the password, which I did, and it didn't help. So I just gave up, to be honest. It was before New York opened up. I was like, you know what? Fuck this shit. Like, I'm just going to go ahead and trade. I do what I want. Can you explain why you entered that position? Like, to see what you're trying to learn. So basically off of a failed 2 down, that was the example that I took entries off of. We had a 2 up scenario. Basically, we failed that directional move. We pushed up, kind of had this. So it's kind of a V shape. If we go on a lower time frame, you'll see it's more of a V shape, right? So that's my entry. That's why I entered in, right? It's a V shape. And I'm expecting price to continue pushing up here. So that's the idea, is I wanted to see price kind of rallying up here. I'm looking for a big move up, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come up to the all-time highs. Do I want to secure profits there? No, I'll probably just look for a 1 to 3 RR, and that's it. Just secure that. If we do push up, I won't hold on to it forever. I could see it coming up there, but yeah. So you have to pay $50 monthly on Top Step. If you're on a combine, yes. Is this like stocks? No, stocks are just stocks. Futures are basically futures. It's a whole different market. Pretty much, we're really close to one another. Not too different, but yeah. Why do you risk 500 for 50K account? That's like 4 losing trades. Yeah, I understand that, but with prop firms, you do have to leverage in heavy. Once you understand the game of prop firms, it will make more sense. Once you understand prop firms and how they operate, then you will understand why someone might risk so much. But again, prop firm is not made for you to, like, whenever we say risk 2% of the account or 1% of the account or 5% of the account, we're talking about the whole account. You have $50,000 combine or $50,000 express. You're supposed to risk on that 50,000, not just the drawdown itself. If you're gonna go for like 1 to 2% risk on the drawdown itself, then you're gonna take ages for you to pass a combine. That's why I see people getting stuck up on like literally just trading combines for fucking ages. Why? Because they literally sit there and just fucking trade those. That's it. Now for me, I like to go heavy, especially when I'm first building up an express. I like to go heavy. Then after I secure myself that $5,000 buffer, $6,000 buffer, whatever the case might be, $10,000, sometimes even $20,000. Once I have that buffer, then I start taking those base hits till I get that payout. Once I get the payout, then I no longer care about the account. I mean, I love the account, and you should try to go live. Let's focus on the trade. Doesn't Top Step ban you after so many payouts though? Nah. They only ban you if you're like purposely blowing accounts because you don't want to go live, which you shouldn't do, guys. Going long in a downtrend, yeah, if you want to call it that, yeah. Never done some shit like that. No, guys, don't do that. That's not good. Don't do that. It's like what prop firms don't want you to do. Don't do that. Yeah, but if I lose out on this trade, then I'm gonna step away for the day. 25 ticks, yeah, 25 ticks stop. Pretty much these lows, and that's it. I won't look to take another position after that. We'll manage it as we're trading up because I really do genuinely see them move up. It's just a matter of when. If we don't get it here, then I mean this is like insane, to be honest. So if we don't get it here, that'd be crazy. But sure, gold doesn't want to give me what I'm reading, then I'm gonna just step away, and that's it. You don't heard? You don't English? Or gold always dumps in Asia, man? Not always. Yesterday it ripped through all-time highs. Wait, this guy trained 2001 fork. Did you watch my video, boss? I hope you be careful, man. Be careful out there, dude. Enter off with the IFVG next time. Nah, I'm okay, man. I don't want to take an FVG setup. I'm okay. You think it's gonna test the 5-minute demand below and then bounce, because if it breaks that 5-minute low, I think I'm more biased sells then. No, not yet, to be honest. I'm still not biased for sells. I mean, I don't see any setups for me to take sells. Let me see the 4 hour real quick. It's an insane 4 hour, I'm not gonna lie. That's an insane 4 hour. For closes like that, then that would be concerning. I'm with you. But other than that, the only way is if when the 4 hour closes, depending on how it closes, then I'll decide if I want to go shorts or longs. But I'll probably be done by then. Because again, if it doesn't follow on the setup, which is just an inside bar break to the top side continuation, then pretty much want to stop there. Yeah. So we'll have to wait and see. How you feel if the market is waiting for news tomorrow doing nothing? I mean, if that's the case, then the setup would be invalid on the 4-hour time frame, and I'll just step away with the 2 losing trades and come back tomorrow and trade tomorrow. Me too, lost my account. That's crazy, man. Nobody forced you to take a trade, boss. Admire your patience, bro. Thank you, thank you. Bro, you're cooked? No, I'm okay. Why don't you copy trade? I don't see the reason for copy trading. I don't like that. Do you think the interest rate cuts are going to impact the market? What? Of course. I thought we have FOMC tomorrow. We have interest rate cuts? What? Hold on, where's my... We have CPI, but that's cheap. Okay. That's at 1 a.m. Okay, we have federal fund rates. Oh, wow. We have a lot of news tomorrow. Oh, wow. We have plenty of news tomorrow. Wow. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, tomorrow's... That's insane news for tomorrow, to be honest. That's crazy. I'm on top step 2. Can you show your full chart? Again, I hope you guys are able to see. I mean, you guys can go on the YouTube if you can't see the full chart. That's the full chart. But yeah, go on YouTube and then you're able to see the full chart on there. Just scared for tomorrow's news. Yeah, it's gonna be an insane day. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be crazy, but yeah, it should be good. Trading at FOMC, maybe not, more than likely not, to be honest. So we'll have to see. Love it, yes sir. Think it's gonna see about 1 hour lows. Maybe again, just have to wait
Order
and see.
filled.
We'll just have to wait and see. If it stops me out on this, then pretty much we'll be done for the day. Sledging stop loss. Is it gonna stop me? Yeah, it stopped me. Okay. Alright, I am done. I'm not gonna trade this no more. Z's liquidity once again. Come on, man. Z's liquidity is crazy. You told me that's crazy. You told me. Hey, I'm just saying, at least, you know, it's an actual account. Just saying. Crazy work. Tragic. 500 gone? Nah. Still on top step. Any advice? Pretty much just take it slow. Don't over leverage if you can't. If you haven't gotten any what's it called, payouts, don't size in heavy. Don't trade too much. Don't over leverage. Don't risk a lot. You know, just go with that. But if you've gotten payouts and stuff like this, then yeah, for you it's a little bit different. For me, that's the way I approach it personally. Whenever I'm going through accounts, then it's just better. Some guys act like they never seen a loss before. Damn, man. Hey, it's a loss on the actual account. That's what's important. Just saying. It's a loss on an actual account that is real. Just saying. Just saying. Verified through top step. Yeah, again, some people are just quick. Yeah, it's not glowing. Just saying, yeah, man. If it glows, then yeah. But somehow, the moment you do lose, like, again, yeah, man. TikTok traders never loses, apparently. I mean, hey, just saying. Apparently, you never take a loss. It's crazy. You should short too. No, I'm okay. I'm using Top Step, and you should know that. Would you reset an XFA, start over? Never. No way. Hey, if I see, look, I know one thing. God is watching. Above all, God is watching. Above all, God is watching, right? I joined, and I spoke about it. I'm not going to keep talking about it too much, right? For the person that's asking. I'm not going to talk about it too much. I know who you are, and I've seen you on the other person's life. I'm not going to speak about it too much, but God is watching. And what matters the most to me is sharing the truth. I don't hate. I don't have no reason to hate. I've joined multiple traders that literally would contradict everything that I stand for, which is ICT's bullshit. And I show support, and I show love, right? Even that person, the same thing. I joined his live, and I was being also very supportive at first. But, if the person is a fraud and is confirmed by Top Step, I'm not going to stand by that. I'm not going to sit there and be supportive and sugar and sweet talk him and say, yes, he's valid and he's good. I'm not going to show respect. Because me, I'm doing this for real. I'm doing this for real. Me, I'm doing this for real. I'm doing this actually on Top Step, on an actual account, right? I'm doing actually on Top Step. Not attacking strategies, none of that. Again, I literally said there's a lot of people. I literally said there's a lot of people that I respect and I care for and I trade with and I literally show support to that trade ICT. Even though I don't like ICT myself, right? I don't like ICT myself. Right? I don't like ICT, but then there's Nitro Trades. He joined the live a couple times ago and I showed him love or whatever support and I park him. Go to dude, I always speak highly of him. He's in the Discord actually too. Right? But again, I will not stand by bullshit. That's one thing. I just don't stand by it. I have respect for the people that are transparent. I have respect for the people that say they're transparent and claim they're transparent and they are transparent. The BCP trades, have you guys probably seen him? He's on Top Step Live. Respect for him. Why? He's being transparent. He shows his, everything. He's being transparent, right? Let's do this real quick. He's being transparent, right? He's being transparent. So that's one, right? On top of that, again, let's say if someone is not being transparent, then I don't need to respect them. I don't respect a lie. I don't respect someone that is, falsely claiming that they are doing something when they're not. And if you fall for it because they're obviously not, then good luck. You're making them money and you are the method. Congrats. And you are the method. That's the way I look at it. Hate me, love me, whatever. That's the truth. Longs incoming. Yeah, I'm just not going to trade it. I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm okay. Reset a fund that is crazy, way too cheaper. Yeah, just buy a new one, man. Yeah. No. Just buy a new funded, start over. Just buy a new funded. Don't fucking go and spend $500 on a combine, etc. Don't do that. It's a horrible setup. Hey. It was a good setup to me. Just didn't play out, so that's fine. That's okay. You have losses, you have wins. You have losing days, you have winning days, and that's what matters. Are you done for the day? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, again, respect the integrity though. Yeah, like I said, man. For me, it's not about hate. It's not about throwing shade at anybody. I don't hate on anybody. If they're being transparent, they're being honest about their trading, and they're showing everything that needs to be shown, no issues on that. But anybody that isn't, then just can't do it, to be honest. I just genuinely can't do it. I can't look at them and say, you know what, this guy's being good, this guy's good, or this is good for the community. No. Once the moment they click a lockout feature, it's somehow a 100K combine, but then come on guys. You're way better than that. If you fall for it, then What do you think about Alpha Futures? Go to prop firm. I requested payouts from them on live, and I've done it on the Discord. Awesome. They're doing good. SL was processed 1,000 years ago. Come on, man. Holy rejections though on gold. That's insane. That's a massive amount of sales. We'll trade back up though. I'll alert it on Discord. Just not gonna take it right now. There's no point for me to take it. There's no entries right now. It's just in a bleed moment, so I'm gonna wait. I'd rather wait it out and then take an entry when I see the setup again present itself. Then I will take a setup. But for now, I will not long. I'll see you guys back on. No. Don't go longs yet. Wait for gold. Just wait for gold. Wait for gold. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Take care, everybody. Love you all. We'll come back in during Asia tomorrow. Same thing. Over again. Same day. Same thing. Again. Trading Express. Real Express. Not fake one. See you guys. Alright, guys on YouTube. Love you all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate every single one of you guys. It means a lot. Sadly, losing day, but again, it's not the end of the world. Losing day does not mean the losing streak. Does not mean anything. Just one losing day. It's not the end of the world. It's just a day, and that's it. But I'll see you guys back on during New York tomorrow. Take care, everybody.